Always wanted to learn architectural drawing, or you need to learn architectural drawing to get admitted into higher education? Hi, I'm Michael Neat, and I've taught architectural drawing to hundreds of students via my course, the Architectural Drawing School. Many years ago, I've been where you are right now, and let me tell you, the answer to all your questions is not only learning architectural drawing, but mastering it so it becomes a strong point in your design skill set. You're going to learn a lot from me. I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of perspective, how to get a precise looking drawing every time. You're going to learn how to render correct materials that make your drawing seem alive. You're going to build up your hand sketching so you get realistic sketches that look great. You're going to learn the theory behind constructing correct cast shadows and how to make them work every time. I'm going to teach you how to draw an electric drill and other product design objects in 3D. I'm going to teach you how to design a park and the fundamentals of modern-day urbanism. This course is going to teach you everything you need to know, starting from zero all the way to expert in architectural drawing. So if you always desire to learn architectural drawing but can never figure out how to get started, or if becoming top 5 to 20% at architectural drawing seems like a genuinely interesting idea, if you are ashamed that you got all these cool ideas but can never bring yourself to express them for everyone else to see, or if you're looking for the drawing tutor that has your best interest at heart, genuinely wants what's best for you, or if you're waiting for that special opportunity to arrive that makes everything click for you, and you know all will be well, then that special moment is here and the opportunity is right now. Apply by joining the WhatsApp group.